Alright guys, so we found that this is impossible to unscrew those two screws, but if you don't unscrew those two screws you can't get this out of the box, which is the worst packaging that I have ever encountered in my own life. But before I do that, let me make sure I can get to the batteries in the remote, because if I can't even do that, I don't think I'm going to keep this. I am going to go and return it and get rid of it immediately, because why would you want to keep something clearly I won't be able to use? Alright, we got this loose, so there's still a chance I could keep this thing.
Likey